Pontiac. The doctor is frustrated. Changing the batteries. This one is dead. This one is good. This is crazy. Look at this. Doctor's trying to make a quick switch. It's bigger. This one's dead. This one's bigger. So no problem. Hello. The doctor has a hammer. If I had a hammer, I'd fix the car in the morning. Oy vey. I already made a hole. This is junk! It's not a good tin, buddy. It's junk! The doctor loses the battery presets on the radio because he doesn't have a little plug for the lighter. But he needs to change the battery because the battery keeps going dead. Everything is going dead. Can't get any work done. He has a sewer overflowing. He has a roof that's not roofing. He has a blazer not starting. Everything is dead. No, still needs more surgery. More banging. Get off the cables, crazy. Go away, you stupid piece of Pontiac. No making Pontiacs. No making Oldsmobiles. Soon they're not making anything except China. Ching chang China. No problem. I go see Ford, I go see Chrysler, and they say, come to China. That's where the money is. The Chinaman likes the Buick. Doesn't like Ford, doesn't like Scotty Kilmer, doesn't like anybody. No problem. I fix. Bang, 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 goes the hammer. Choo, 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 goes the train. Look at that. Got the camera upside down. Fix this piece of junk. I fix. Broken. Modification. This is no stinking fancy garage. This is the hack garage. Like the hack and pack shop. Where's Pisser anyways? Fixing the police cars. With a hammer or a gun. That's the way you fix people running away. You shoot them. They don't run away anymore. The trick, don't run away. If a cop says stop, you lie down on the ground and you cry like a baby. Because they're gonna shoot you. It's fixed now? I don't think so. This is crazy. It doesn't clamp. Because it's too big and the plastic is in the way and everything is all doctored up. Hello! Need a bigger hammer. BFH. Need 2 hands. I fix. Nice, good, clean sheet metal. Too bad the body is all rusted. Rusted. Junk. I don't keep this car too long. It's running well. Only has 66,000 miles. 110,000 kilometers, but it's too rusted. But I needed it at the moment to get the groceries. It's the old grocery getter. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna get a smaller battery. Don't raise the bridge, lower the river. No. cut the battery. Ah, boy. Right over here is a double wall. Where is it? This one here. Just a minute. Don't go away. Don't watch Scotty. He screams too much.